A food safety inspector found salmonella in chicken heading to school cafeterias across 3 states. Her bosses told her to approve it anyway. Deadlines mattered more than safety. If she stopped the shipment, she'd lose her job. During a recession, with bills piling up, she knew what approving that chicken would mean: thousands of sick children, hundreds in hospitals. So she shut down the entire production line. They fired her immediately, blacklisted her from the industry. For 8 months, she couldn't find work anywhere, nearly lost her house. But her report stopped a massive outbreak that would have devastated families across 3 states. The investigation revealed years of safety violations. Executives went to prison. Her courage caught the attention of the FDA. They offered her something better than her old job. She now heads a national food safety task force. People ask if she regrets her decision. She says, "I could have kept my paycheck and lost my soul. Instead, I lost my job and found my purpose." One choice changed thousands of lives, including her own.